My name's McCorkle. I'm a developer at JMP, and I'm primarily responsible for JSL, the JMP scripting language. And myself, along with another developer at JMP, Justin Chilton, have developed this JMP JSL-Hamcrest add-in. We have an internal testing framework in-house in JMP that is used to test JSL and JMP itself. And we wanted to make some improvements to that testing framework. And as part of that, I brought in the idea of bringing these ideas from the wider world with Hamcrest and implementing those inside of JSL in this add-in to help us test JMP better. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this button to bring open the test runner, and that's where all of the test results will go. I have a test case for formulas with a setup and a teardown expression and a skip expression, and then I have 3 individual tests. 2 of those tests use the test case, and 1 of them is a standalone test. And so if I just go ahead and hit run here, you will see 3 tests: row count, char, and advanced row under these 2 test cases, and you'll see that these tests were skipped. So it skipped the entire test, and we skipped it because it happens to be Wednesday when I'm recording this. If we were to change this condition and run it, so now we see passes on green check marks on all of these test cases. For each of these test cases, it's running the setup, which is opening a table, and then it's running the body of the test, which has an assertion in it, and that's what decides if your code is behaving as you expect it to be behaving. And then it'll run the teardown, which closes the data table. But within these test cases, even if you open tables, open windows, create global variables, all that sort of thing, when the test is ended, all of that stuff is cleaned up. All the windows are closed, all the data tables are closed, all the symbols are deleted. So you get to a clean slate before every test, and that helps to make sure that the tests are isolated from one another. So the order of running the test doesn't matter. And so there's a lot of other features within the Hamcrest add-in, and you can go to the scripting index and see a lot of these UT prefixed functions. A lot of those are matchers that go into these assertions, but there's also things like the test cases and the ability to mock functions, if you're familiar with mocking frameworks. There's a lot of different kind of common testing framework features within this add-in. You can find the Hamcrest add-in and others at marketplace.jmp.com.